Hey guys, thanks for logging back onto the channel. So I'm just coming in from worship, and I think today is the day that I want to do a video on my new gym equipment. I organized or arranged just a small home gym in my house. Actually, it's in the space that I'm in right now. It's a office, but I'm using it dual purpose for a small gym. So I just have a few pieces of equipment in here and a stationary bike, but there's one piece that I ordered that I think I want to demonstrate to you today. So I just wanted to hop on here right quick and just give a shout out to say thank you to all whom support me. Thank you to my longtime existing subscribers. I think I've been doing YouTube for about 4 years now. Thank you to those who have recently joined, and I greatly appreciate all the comments, feedback, and the support. I am on the cusp of turning 59 here soon, and the only way 59 will be good to me is if I'm good to myself. So I'm really trying hard to take care of my skin, take care of my health, take care of my physical body, physical temple, as well as emotional, mental, everything. I do not want to look 59 when I'm 59. I guess who would? But knowing that 60 is right around the corner, I will only be as healthy as the input that I do, or the output will only be as good as the input that I do. So I invested in this piece of equipment that hopefully will help me tone up, strengthen my legs, strengthen the glutes, strengthen the abs, just strengthen, try to build some muscle mass back. And more importantly, just be well-rounded, lower my body mass index, make sure that is not over the level or the limit that they allow. Right now it is. So I'm working on that and bringing down the high cholesterol and keeping the blood pressure and all of that under control. So I'm kind of rambling now, but I just wanted to say hello. I just wanted to say thank you for your support. And I am going to get changed. And then I think I'm going to just show you right quick this device that I have and what it can do for you. So just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay guys, allow me to introduce the Maroc Deep Squat Machine. I purchased this equipment off of Amazon for $90. It arrived pretty quickly. It only took about a week. The instructions are in the box. It's pretty easy to assemble. I'm just showing you that it has push-up bars at the base. This is the actual deep squat apparatus that you lean back on. It has cushions to cushion your knees, and of course what I'm touching, you put your feet underneath. The metal plate allows it to lie flat, and you simply put your feet under the cushions at the bottom and you sit into the squat, or you take a seat. I'm just going to say you go into a seated position. So here I am showing you with 3-pound weights how it looks from the front. I'm going to turn this machine sideways so you can see from a side view how it looks. Now remember, again, this is my first day on here. So you see I have my feet on the metal plate up underneath the bar. That holds your feet secure so that when you go into the seated or the deep squat position, the machine does not turn over, you're not wobbly, you feel like you're in control. My glutes are absolutely burning. So I've gone back now to some 3-pound weights in order just to add the weights to the exercise, just to get a little bit more out of it. This equipment is ideal for strengthening your glutes, your legs, your core, is ideal for burning calories and building muscle. Here you see I am just really going around to do a full body fitness experience. I have some limitations on the left side, so you're only going to see me demonstrate this exercise using my right hand, but I am able to brace on the cushions with my left hand to ensure I get a full extension up and back. Had I not had the limitations on the left side, I would have did that side as well. So I stopped the camera in order to get myself into position, and then the camera will start it again. And so this allows you to do, I'm going to call them inverted push-ups, because I'm actually going with my head below the height of my feet, and I am pushing back up using the bars on the end of the equipment to do a push-up. And the deep squat machine actually helps you push yourself back up if you're unable to do it on your own, because it just kind of bounces back. So now you see I have a kettlebell. This is a 7-pound bowl, as you saw, and I'm just simply gonna hold it straight or close to my chest and go into the squat or the seated position. As you can see, I have a little bit of a slight tummy there. You can see a slight pudge. What I'm trying to do is work on that right across the band. I'm trying to work right there where my hands are. You're going to see me tighten the glute right here on the right side. I'm trying to add more muscle mass, strengthen my legs so that I am well rounded. Right now, I just kind of think my legs are too small. I lost some muscle when I was sick over the past year. And, you know, my legs just aren't as tight as they used to be. I haven't worked out in a while, but I am working on strengthening my core, strengthening my glutes. I want my legs to pump up or just have more muscle if I can. And so that's what I am working on. I'm just trying to make sure that I get a full body workout using this equipment and other equipment that I have in order to strengthen those abs, strengthen those glutes, reduce any fat in the abdomen, and also strengthen my legs. My legs are really weak. They're really small in my opinion, and I just really need to tone up. So this machine is going to help me with glute boosting. That's what I'm showing you here. So in a few minutes, I'm going to take the measurement so that I will know where I'm starting from as far as boosting up my glutes, and then I'll be able to keep track or record. Off camera, I have rested, and so now I'm back to another repetition of 10 holding this kettlebell, and this harder than what it is, especially with this being my very first time. My legs are absolutely burning, but you can see you can go as far down into the squat position as you desire. I'm not doing it totally accurate, but it's close enough. So I'm measuring to see where I'm starting from, and 42 is the number. So I'm going to put 42 down in my tracking book or in my phone. So in another week, 2 weeks, I can see the progress that's being made. You don't have to have any weights in your hands when you do this. You can simply just put your arms out to the front when you go into the squat or seated position, or you can put your hands on your hips. I'm towards the end of my workout, so I'm starting to just get fatigued. As I said, I have not worked out in quite a while. It's been well over a year and a half, going on 2 years, but I made it. I made it through, so I'm grateful for that. Okay, that is day one. As you can see, I'm sweating like crazy. But as I said, the ideal is to get in better spiritual, physical condition, which will help me, help anyone emotionally and mentally. And this little apparatus, I'll put all of the information in the description box. Today is the first day, and I tell you, my glutes are burning. But again, the ideal is to kind of, you see I got a small little muscle there, and I got a small, look at that, look at that, look at that. All right. Your girl got a little bit of something going on, but nevertheless, I'm trying to get back into some kind of, I can't even hardly hold it that long, but I'm trying to get in some kind of, you know, shape here. And just kind of be good to myself, physical fitness. So now that I've sweated all of this out, I'm gonna go do a skincare routine in order to improve my skin. So I appreciate you tapping into this video. It kind of was all over the place, but and the lighting is very bad. I just brought it out here to an open space in my house. I appreciate you tapping in, and stay tuned for more videos from me. I'm still very limited on what I can do on this left side, but I'm trying to keep the right side as strong as I can, and just do things in moderation. I've been sick off and on over this past year and a half, and I'm trying to work my way back to a good physical state. So thanks for tapping in, and look for more videos from me. Maybe next time I'll show you the cube. It's a workout cube that my mom brought me from QVC. You can do all kinds of stuff on there, but stay tuned for more videos from me. And it's now time for me to do my skincare workout routine, and I'll be back with more home decor videos soon. This is Freddie. I'm Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, as you can see, I made it through the first few exercises, and I'm grateful. I hope you got something out of the little demonstration that I did try to do. If I didn't do too well, this is my first time on this equipment. It came in about 10 days ago. My husband put it together, and thus far it had been sitting, but I am determined. I am determined to be in good spiritual shape, be in good physical shape, be in good emotional, mental shape, just be in shape. And so hopefully this video will encourage someone else who maybe needs to get in shape or wants to get in shape to just get going, get started. I've procrastinated for, I'm gonna say, many years. Used to be very, very active while I served in the Army. And then when I got out, I got a little bit lazy and started taking health for granted. And of course, sometimes things will happen to you that lets you know you got to put the work in. You know, I don't care, you know, how long you've been doing it or how small or petite you think you might be. You got to put the work in, or life will catch up with you as far as your health. So just be good to yourself, and hopefully self will be good to you. And with that, I want to say thank you. I hope to see you in the next video. This is Freddie. I am Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you soon.